Bhuvi, I am going to ask you the sounds of different animals. You answer them, okay? How does the tiger make sound?
Lol, lol.
How does the lion make sound?
Lol, lol.
How does the cat make sound?
Meow, meow.
How does the horse make sound? How does the dog make sound?
Woof, woof.
How does the goat make sound?
Bay, bay.
How does the sheep make sound?
Bay, ba, ba.
How does the donkey make sound?
Hee haw, hee haw.
How does the wolf make sound?
Wolf. Howl, howl.
How does the pig make sound?
Oink, oink.
How does the snake make sound?
Hiss, hiss.
How does the duck make sound?
Quack, quack.
How does the peacock make sound?
Mew, mew.
How does the cock make sound?
Cock, cock-a-doodle-doo. Cock-a-doodle-doo.
How does the insect make sound?